Movement is initiated by depressing the scapula, which means pulling down your shoulder blades. Arms are straight with no bending of the elbows. Pull the bar towards your chest while retracting your scapula, which means bringing your shoulder blades back in together. This allows you to fully utilize your lats to do the pulling. The top of the pull-up determines whether or not all your targeted muscles are engaged. Shoulder blades and elbows are pulled down and in. There should be the distinct feeling of a lock-off with no slack. The most common mistake people make is not depressing the scapula before starting the pull. Without the shoulder blades engaged, much of the pull is transferred from your lats to the supraspinatus, a small muscle right above the scapula. This could result in shoulder pain down the line. Flaring of the elbows disengages your scapula and drastically decreases the power from your lats. Focus on drawing your elbows down and tight to your sides when you pull. Scapular shrugs are great for mobilizing your shoulder blades and developing the strength for scapular depression. Focus on keeping your arms straight throughout the entire movement and engaging only your scapula. Inverted rows are useful for building strength for the pull. The lower you set the rings or bar, the more difficult this movement becomes. Focus on really squeezing your shoulder blades together when you pull. Negatives are crucial for developing good form for the finishing position. Find a low bar or use a block and jump to arrive at the top position. Lock off with the shoulder blades and elbows down. Hold for 3 seconds before slowly lowering yourself to a full hanging position. Torque is a form of rotational energy that helps to maximize your muscle use. For the pull, we create torque by gripping the bar and then externally rotating our arms. An easy cue to remember is bend the bar. Next time you practice a pull-up, try first bending the bar and then go